celebration of Vivian Dawn. Of course, we would like to, in behalf of the parents of Vivian Dawn who would be here this afternoon, we would like to still greet you. Good afternoon, and of course, on their behalf, they would like to welcome all of you to the second birthday celebration of their daughter. Okay, so sila Tito Darrell and Tita Vivian. Ayun. We also would like to, of course, acknowledge the presence of their the great-grandma of our birthday celebrants, the great-grandma Petra. Palakpakan po natin siya. Yay! And of course, the Lola of the birthday celebrant, si Mami Rene. Yun. Hello, Mami Rene. Hindi Lola ha, kasi alam naman, pag Lola, medyo na, no? Papunta na ron. Mas magandang Mami pa lang, pala. Okay, before we move on, I just would like to inform everybody that we have one, if not the best ice cream in town. Over there, on that corner, we have the Pure Gelato. It's actually mixed, or rather, the taste is inspired from Italian ice cream. So if you want to take a, tikman po ang ating Pure Gelato, you have like how many, was your 3 gallons of Pure Gelato ice cream there sa likod. Of course, yung medyo matataas sa mga blood sugar count, tapa na lang ang nasa inyo po, sa inyo. Pero the ice cream for the children. Kids, meron tayong special guest! May kilala ba ko yung parang B? You know, yung B na yon na malaking B. Kilala niyo siya? Ang pangalan niya si Blanc B. Nina, isip na tayo ng konti. Ang pangalan niya si? Very good, si Jollibee. And he's here with us to grace the second birthday celebration of Vivian Dawn. So mamaya-maya, lalabas na po ang ating friend. So, we're just waiting for the cue from our yung Friends Day Jollibee. But before that, game time muna tayo. Okay, nakita mo may binatong tinapon na egg, na colored egg like this one. And we have, malayo-layo pa yung ang Easter, meron tayong Easter egg hunting na game. But ito ang game. Kung sino makahanap ng ganitong egg, will win prizes. Okay, so take a look under your tables, around you, baka makahanap mo kayo iba-ibang klaseng colors na ganito, iba-ibang colors ng egg, may prize po. Okay, who found this? May prize siya. Si Angelo! Angelo, yun. Si Mark. Okay, Mark, punta ka kay clown friend natin. Yun, sino ba nakahanap? Marco, very good. Sige. Kuya, muna yung music natin para mas masaya. Okay, someone give this to me kanina. Sino nagbigay? Isang girl? Ayun, of course, si Sia. And of course, Vivian. Ayun, si Vivian may prize din siya. Okay, natin yung prize si Vivian. Bigyan mo siya ng ano? Yung umbrella ng Hello Kitty. Umbrella ng Hello Kitty.
I'll get a new one.
Is it eh? Oh, meron siyang prize. Ating birthday celebrant. Okay. How about si Anselmo? Ansel. Oh, this is for you. Sige na, sige. Meron kang prize. Yun, si Ansel. Okay, Ansel. Punta ka ron. Yeah. Isama naman si Ansel. Hey, by the way, hindi nga ang celebration is not only for the children. That's why we have prepared games for the voters. O, di ba? Yung mag-vote ng yes or no. I won't say yes or no. Okay. Mag-vote mo kayo. So, actually, kapitagan mga games na rin yan. So, yan na. Game muna tayo for the children. Okay. Our first game is for the bigger kids. Yung medyo nakakapagsalita na ng konti. Okay? Sige, si Thea, Craig, who else? Sino ba gusto sumali? Mga bigger children na, yung mga medyo makaka-shout na sila. Okay? Cyrus, come here, Cyrus, dito ka. And then si Angelo. Here's Angelo. And si Mark. O mga mothers, mga titas, uncles, palapakan po natin ang ating mga contestants dito sa stage. Yan. Okay, children, our first game, we call this the longest shout. And bakit longest shout? Napakasimple lang ng ating game. We will only sing like this. Happy birthday, Vivian Don! Yan. At pinakahalabang ang longest shout ng greetings, amuan magdadawhin prizes. Okay, let's start off with Angelo. Okay, Angelo. Wala, hawak siya. Happy birthday, Vivian. Ay, o sige, mamaya na. Sige. Medyo nahiya si Angelo mag-start. Dito na tayo kay ate. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Sandali, hold your microphone. Kuya, ready ka na? Game ka na ba?
Ready na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Vivian
Galing si Thea, pwede mo si Thea maging Regine Velasquez. 13 seconds! Palapakan natin si Thea. Next! Great, ayaw mo i-video 13 seconds. Okay, ginawa na. And okay, your microphone. Great, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Vivian!
Seconds! Pero magaling pa rin. O sige, next is Cyrus. Cyrus, ready na ikaw. Birthday, Vivian Don. Okay? Nag-iisip talaga na matindi si Cyrus. Ano sasabihin niya? Kasi iba yan. We'll get back to you ha, Cyrus. Next, si Mark. Ikaw. Sige, go.
Baby.
3 seconds. Okay, palakakan po natin yung mga contestants. Of course, our winner is Ate Thea. We said that to lower ay mag-no good. May mga consolation prizes. Okay, Ate Thea, pili ka na gusto mong big gift or prize. Okay, and the rest, and of course, we also, yan. Ikaw, privilege yung nanalo, magiging yung prize. Oh, yung mga audience natin. Mga audience, hindi pa ba kayo? One more time. For the way, hindi na ang proceedings din, we are being covered. May video coverage po, and we will be seen in international television. Bakit? Dadalhin po yung coverage natin. Dadalhin mo ito sa abroad. Okay? So, give your best smile. Okay? Give your best smile. And, Gulingan mo tayo para sabihin na masaya talaga ang birthday ni Vivian Don. One more time. Mga mothers, game na ba kayo?
Game na!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Yan, o diba? Tama yung narinig ko, hooray! Kasi siguro magaling maglutusin natin ng mga hooray. Okay, so our next game. Para liwag-inihan mga mothers! Okay, children, bring your mothers here! Go, go, go! Ate! Mga mommies! Come on! Kita nyo, talagang hindi tayo makangiti sa mga children. Hello, ma'am. Okay na tulog. Okay, bring your moms here. Thank you. Ang nagdarahan ni Ramamis, may nagihapon prize. Yan, okay. O, may prize din mga mamis, ha? O, yung mga bata nagdala ng ano. Anymore? Sige na. Join na kayo. Malay nyo, ma-discover po kayo ng ano, geography. Ano yun? National Geography. Diba? Or, sorry, National Geographic. Ako, gutom lang to, okay? Diba yung Discovery Channel? Mother, wow. Okay, anyone would like to join in? Mami, sige na. Masayon na ini nga aton game. Okay. Mami, kami, please. Sige na. Parisyon lang. Mark, oh, Angelo, bring your mother. Bring your mother. Okay. Yan. Yan na. 4 moms. So, ate, please prepare for na mga props natin dyan. Okay, first of all, yung mga pangalan muna kasi baka